welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. I am a 7th year special education teacher in Wisconsin. I'm doing a teacher outfits of the week video. I have started this several weeks now, and I film Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday just doesn't happen. So maybe this week it'll actually happen. Maybe. So here's the outfit for today. So the cardigan is from Amazon. I think this is actually still available, so I can link it if you're interested. I can never remember, but I'm pretty sure that the shirt, it says made to teach, is teach, create, motivate, or it's lipstick and littles. I can never remember. Phone case is Shein. This little skirt is also from Shein. And I'm wearing these pink sandals, which is not what I envisioned for this outfit. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I was halfway to school and realized I was still wearing my slippers. I keep these pink sandals here for like what I call my shower shoes in case I'm helping a student in the bathroom. So, I mean, good thing I had them here because it's like 75 degrees. A little hot to be wearing fur slippers. Happy Tuesday, another outfit. It is pouring outside and that is fine. So I've got this cute little cardigan from Shein. It's kind of got the puff sleeves. This is an old Walmart dress, an old Walmart ribbed shirt, but they have similar ones on the tables if you're interested and you need one. Walmart always has good basics. These are the capri length Walmart Time and True legging and some Walmart gold sandals. I'm also wearing this bracelet from Italy that is impossible to close, so I need help to get it off once it is closed because it's secure. And then this little pencil is from TJ Maxx. Yay! Headband is also Shein. Can you tell? I shop at Shein and Walmart all the time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Friends, happy Wednesday. We are officially halfway through the week. Outfit of the day. A pink shirt from Shein. It says teacher. It's just got school supplies. We've got a nice little cardigan from TJ Maxx. I love the orange and pink combination. A skirt, which is also TJ Maxx. It's the Jessica Simpson brand. And then my sandals are the Stony Clover collaboration. I love that pastel mix. It all just kind of works. Pink, purple, orangish beautifulness. My earrings are also Shein. Just little sparkly rainbows. Hi friends, and welcome back to another outfit of the day. It's a strange one because today is dressed like a student day and the students dress like us. So starting off with my very realistic Stanley. It's a Hydro Peak. I love my Hydro Peaks actually. I have this in white and I have it in purple. Straw charm is Amazon. Glittery Crocs. Obnoxious Nike socks. Some Under Armour shorts. Looks like a plain black sweater, but it's not. It's Taylor Swift, actually. And then scrunchies. And I had fake nails on, and I already took them off because they were obnoxious. Happy Monday. Ignore the squeaking of my shoes. It is Monday, May 13th. I kind of forgot about this video, I'm not gonna lie. And Friday, I'm usually pretty chill anyways because I have to go to Walmart afterwards. So we can just pretend that this is Friday and we're finishing off this week of teacher outfits. Here's what I wore today. So starting up top, we've got this headband from Shein. It's basically just fake sprinkles. This shirt is also Shein. It's the alphabet. Cute. Cardigan is Shein. Most of the day I wasn't wearing it. I put it back on for this video. This skirt is awesome because it has pockets on both sides and there's even a back pocket. It's technically a golf one, which is awesome. So not only is it like longer shorts, 3 pockets, it's actually long enough that I can wear it to Walmart. It's a bit of an interesting pattern though. It's like greenish, pinkish, orange. So it works with a lot of my teacher outfits, but not a lot of my Walmart outfits, I'm gonna say, because I wouldn't wear this to Walmart. And then my shoes are a bit of a platform Walmart sandal from last year. Hope you enjoyed these outfits. I'm not gonna do the rest of this week because I'm hoping to do normal teacher vlogs. So thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.